We're here today to shine a light on Matt's career and all the extraordinary accomplishments and contributions he's been part of. You are the consummate professional. You are at the top as a firefighter, a paramedic, a trainer, a supervisor, an officer, and a leader.
Matt exemplifies the Fire and Rescue Department's mission statement of being dedicated to being the best community-focused Fire and Rescue Department, ensuring a safe and secure environment for all. Because of the incomparable actions that he takes every day, Lieutenant Matthew Maloff is the Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department's Firefighter of the Year.
I'm both honored and extremely humbled by being recognized for the work I've done for the department. I'm not used to being in the foreground, but after hearing all the kind words and seeing the great reception, I'm very pleased. I believe the award was first given in 1985. I think folks can look toward us for guidance and understanding and maybe look at us as mentors and role models. And it's a very humbling feeling to be part of such an elite group.